drive the 2020 Express 2500. The Chevrolet Express 2500 has soldiered on for nearly 4 decades with only one major redesign happening during that time. A rolling testament to the "if it ain't broke, don't fix it" school of vehicle design. The Express offers a passenger van's timeless features of powerful engines and space, and even more space. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.